Hello everyone, this is Ali Reza. Welcome to the second chapter of RPG API Core. Now, this chapter is all about behavior trees. Behavior trees are one of the recent solutions for artificial intelligence or AI. What you are seeing in front of you is my R&D at a very stable position. There are few bugs here and there, but like what you are seeing happening sometimes like this. When this node returns success and it goes all the way up, it should tick the errors, but sometimes it's not working. It's a minor bug that I will fix, but what you are seeing in front of you is a behavior tree. Basically, the history of behavior tree returns back to when people started to write their own AI. If you ever watched any video tutorial on artificial intelligence online, you had seen people talking about state machines. A switch case that goes through an enum and switches the state based on that enum and do stuff. That is a very old, stable solution for AI, but still, that was not the optimized solution, because you could have state machines inside the state machines, and then the code would get ugly, nested switch cases and unreadable very fast, very rapidly. The other problem was that the logic to switch the state was sitting in the same part of the code that was responsible for doing actions. So people came up with new solution, and that was behavior trees. Behavior trees, first of all, divided the logic from the action. This node, for example, that is a sequence or selector nodes, being random or not random, are the logic. They are only responsible of handling the logic of transition between states. This guy is a logic, this is 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 logic. The nodes that you see at the end of each branch are most of the time the action nodes. For example, this is a timer node. So you'll notice that when it comes here, it stops for a predefined amount of time, then it passes up. This guy is a counter, so it gets busy for a predefined number of ticks, then it passes on. This guy is a flip-flop, so it will wait until you flip, then it goes successful and the rest is going up. This guy is an action node, so when it gets ticked, it will call its own delegate and runs the delegate. These guys that are checkmarked are success nodes, so they are just return success the moment they are ticked. Sorry. And this way, you separate your logic from your actions. Okay? And it was a very successful solution for artificial intelligence. Not only you get a visual feedback of how your tree is behaving, but also you get actions when you only need them, and you get your logic when you need them. So this is the whole thing that we will develop in the second chapter, and you are smart. We are using our own graph editor solution that we created in the first chapter. This chapter will be member sponsored only. Well, the very first few videos that I'm developing a Visual Studio template and then a PDB handler, I decided to keep them as free for every member. But after that, the moment we start the actual behavior tree system, it will be member sponsored only. The reason I decided to keep this guy member sponsored is that, well, first of all, behavior tree solutions available online are expensive, so I thought it's not that bad to limit it for those who are really member sponsored. Second, I decided to put a bit of support for 3D Buzz by putting these guys into member sponsor only, so encouraging people to become a member sponsor. Anyway, this is what the second chapter is all about. I hope you like these videos, and I hope you enjoyed this chapter. So see you in next videos. Have fun, everyone. Bye-bye.